Hi, today the book I have is My Little Train by Satomi Ishikawa. And it is a Dolly Parton imagination book. And if you have a preschooler at your home and you're not getting these, it's wonderful. You can sign up. Your preschooler will get a book a month for the first 5 years. So it's a wonderful program by the amazing, incredible Dolly Parton. My little train goes chug, 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 chugging into Central Station. Woo, woo, woo. See all the passengers who want to come aboard? Who are these passengers? They're the child's little toys, right? A bear, a monkey, a duck or a goose, a lamb, a dog. Where do you want to go? I will take you anywhere, says the train. Hoo, hoo, hoo. To the pond, says a duck. Quack, quack. To the field, says a sheep. Ba, ba. To the forest, says a monkey. Kee, kee. To the mountain, says a bear. Rawr. Have you ever been on a train? A lot of fun. Here we go, says the train. Woo-hoo. Across the hill, chug, chug. Over the bridge, woo-hoo. Through the tunnel, chug, chug. Woo-hoo. Quack, quack, ba, ba, grr, grr, rawr. Kiki, kiki. I don't know. It says kiki, kiki for a monkey. How do you do a monkey? Because I would do woo, 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 or something like that. Says all the happy passengers. There they go. First stop, the pond. The pond, says the train. The duck jumps out and dives into the pond. Goodbye, duck, says the train. Woo-hoo. He dives right in. See all the fish? Next stop, the field. The field, says the train. The sheep jumps out and runs into the poppy field. Have a nice day, sheep, says the train. Woo-hoo. Looks like it's a picture, doesn't it, that maybe's on the wall. And those are the poppy fields that they were talking about. These are all poppy flowers. Next stop, the forest, says the train. The monkey hops out and swings into the branches. See you next time, says the train. Woo-hoo. Look, he's putting all his toys right where they belong in nature. Here comes the mountain. Huff a puff, sighs the train. Last stop, the mountaintop. Look what he used as his mountaintop. He's using his imagination, isn't he? Or she. Do you have a mountain in your house? Don't forget your lunchbox, says the train. And the bear climbs out. Be careful, says the train. Woohoo! Everyone has gone now. Good job. Good job. So the bear is in the mountain, and now the train is empty. Bravo, train, says a little voice. It's a little kangaroo. Where did he come from? I love trains, says the little kangaroo. Glad to hear it. Where do you want to go? Says the train. Woo-hoo! For a ride, says the little kangaroo. And they go across the mountains. Chug, chug, chug. Over the bridge, woo-hoo, through the tunnel, chug, chug, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. This is fun, says the little kangaroo. Then they reach a cliff. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Hold on tight, little kangaroo. The train falls down, bump, 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 and stops. The little kangaroo hops out. Hop, 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 and pushes the train. Huff a puff, huff a puff. Up goes one car, up goes another car, up goes the engine. Hooray, little kangaroo! Glad you were with me. Good thing the kangaroo was there to help. That's a helpful kangaroo. You see the K for kangaroo? Now, where do you want to go, says the train. Woo-hoo! To my pocket, says the little kangaroo. Where did you leave it, asked the train. Chug, chug. At Central Station, says the little kangaroo. Ah, okay then, Central Station, here we come, says the train. Chug, chug. Woo-hoo! Here is Central Station. See all the passengers waiting for the train? See someone waiting for the kangaroo too? It's Mama, shouts the little kangaroo and jumps into her pocket. Lot of people waiting for a train ride. Goodbye, train, and thank you, says the little kangaroo. Come aboard anytime, my little big friend, says the train. Chug, chug, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. The end. I hope you enjoyed the book. My Little Train. Do you have a train that you can take your little toys on for a ride? Maybe you could do that today. See if you have any mountains in your house and tunnels.